everybody. I am in a 3-story brick home built in 1922, and it has seen better days. Somebody else was working here, and they gave up. So now we're here. We got it back on the tax rolls, and we're gonna turn it into a nice home for somebody. It's just gonna take a little work and a lot of money. Check this out. Horsehair plaster. I have a word of warning about this stuff, and I'm gonna get into that in a minute. But first, I thought I'd treat myself to something nice. The Weaver Tool Gear Super Trimmer Belt. Now this is called the Super Trimmer because it's made with super fabric. It's what they line the pockets with here. You see this bumpy stuff? So this was originally made for gloves to prevent hypodermic needle sticks. Now, sounds like a good idea. I mean, if it's puncture resistant and abrasion resistant enough for that, then it'd probably be good for a tool pouch, right? Let's take a look, see what kind of features we got here. We got your choice of 2 hammer loops. And none on that side. That's all right though, because sometimes, I'll carry a mallet also. I like that. And this here, this is for your glue bottle. Isn't that neat? In case you get hungry. I like how it's got the top handles here. You got 2 places to put your tape measure. Or you could carry 2 tape measures. 1 normal one, 1 metric. You even got super fabric on the bit holders. It's a nice idea. So in my area, you see a lot of Amish guys wearing this brand of belt, and I think I can see why here. These little fastener pouches, not exactly designed for sticks, for gun nails. These look more for, loose fasteners. That's all right, because I like to have a few screws loose. The belt itself, it's pretty thick leather. It's actually not real stiff either. Seems sturdy though. The bags are made out of a thinner material, but it's like a different cut of the cow. Still seems sturdy. It seems pretty thick actually. A little softer though. That's good. The belt seems well oiled, but I'll probably hit it again. For that I like to use 100% pure neatsfoot oil. Now they make another product called neatsfoot oil compound. And the difference is this stuff is squeezed, crushed up cow hooves, from what I understand. Basically chemically the same as the natural oil in the leather, whereas neatsfoot oil compound is a petroleum product. And the problem with that is you got nylon stitching here. And nylon stitches don't always mix well with petroleum products. Some people use mink oil or even olive oil. I've always had good luck with this stuff. I picked this up at an Amish tack store just north of here. It was only a few bucks. But if you don't have an Amish tack store near you, you can get this online. And a little bit goes a long way. Like this little bottle. This is probably a lifetime supply for a lot of people. And now remember, oil can darken your leather. You want to use it sparingly. You don't want to over-oil it. You can always add another thin coat if you need to. The belt looks like it's cut from a double shoulder. That's good, that's what you want. That means it has an even thickness throughout the whole length of it. I dig the logo. That's cool. Looks like the top of the bags are the stiffest part. That'll take the longest to break in. That's all right. Oh, I'm getting it all dusty already. Dang. I like the copper rivets. It's a nice touch. So this belt retails for about $269, I think. So a little cheaper than some other brands. But I think it's quality enough. It'll give the other brands a run for their money. I don't know, I'm eager to try it out. And I'll report back on my findings as I wear it. Now back to what I was telling you about. So, a lot of people are allergic to horsehair. They'll have chronic sinus problems. They won't know what's causing it. Turns out it's from the horsehair plaster crumbling inside their walls. Also, when they strip this stuff from the skin, they used a lye solution, and the plaster itself has lime in it. Now, none of this is good for your skin. I demoed this stuff one time years ago. I had burns up and down my arms. Like, pus and blisters and everything. And it healed up quick, but for a couple of days there, that was miserable. So wear long sleeves, and when you throw your clothes in the laundry, wash them twice. And if you want to wear a Tyvek suit when you demo this stuff, I won't laugh at you. Anytime you're working with something dusty like this stuff, wear a respirator, protect your lungs. Now, asbestos isn't really too much of a concern with horsehair plaster because asbestos, by the time it got popular, horsehair had been pretty much phased out. But if your horsehair plaster had been repaired at some point over the years, then those patches could definitely have asbestos. So if you have any concerns, just have it tested. Now, something that horsehair can have in it, though, is anthrax spores. Now, I don't know if anybody's ever actually caught anthrax from horsehair plaster, but technically it is possible. So just protect yourself. Wear protective gear. All right, I'm going to get back to work. You have a good one.